Here's a before walk around of my garage. Show you the condition it was in before I started the renovations. I had crap everywhere. I had, just a lot of stuff, no storage to really speak of, no organization, and it was just packed full. I, you can see the walls are in pretty rough shape. It's a typical 8 foot ceiling, maybe about 8'3", 8'4" Got a miter saw. I have a radial arm saw, a table saw. I think I'll get rid of the miter saw, get rid of the radial arm saw, and get a big compound sliding miter and build some benches along this wall so that I can have a built-in miter saw station along with cabinets, top and bottom, create a lot of storage space. In the back there, I've got some cabinets built, but they're not as functional as they could be. The floor is a mess. Previous owner parked their car in here in the winter, and in our climate, you get a lot of salt, which dripped off the car and really pitted the floor. So that kind of makes it rough to have rolling tools. I've got storage shelves right in the middle of the floor, just because I needed some place to get things up off the floor, and those have to go. I need to find a better way. Got that whole wall dedicated to yard implements. I think there's a better way to store those. Got some material storage up above there. You can see that, and that's not terribly functional, and so I want to get rid of that. Maybe find another place to store that material. See if any of that is really worth saving. Lighting is a real problem in here. I have just enough light to work, but nothing. A lot of dark corners, a lot of opportunity for improvement. You can see the ceiling's a mess. So got quite a lot of work ahead of me, but I'm